In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to make money on Payhip. If you want to start selling online in a simple way, Payhip is a great platform to use because it lets you create products and begin selling them from one dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic setup flow so you can start turning your ideas into something people can buy. First, go to the Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and sales activity. If you're already signed in, the dashboard is where you'll land automatically. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout because this is where most of your store management will happen. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products. This section is where all the items you plan to sell will live. Think of it as your product library. Whether you want to sell digital downloads, memberships, coaching, courses, or other supported offers, this is the place where you'll create and organize them. After that, click on Add Product. This is the button that starts the product creation process. When you select it, Payhip will guide you into setting up a new item for your store. This is an important step because your product listing is what customers will see before deciding to buy. Later on, you'll want to make sure your title, description, and pricing are clear and attractive. But for now, the main goal is simply getting the product created. Next, select a product type. Payhip gives you different options depending on what you want to sell, so choose the one that best matches your offer. This matters because the product type affects how your item is delivered and how your customers interact with it after purchase. For example, a downloadable product works differently from a membership or an online course, so selecting the right category from the start helps keep everything organized and user-friendly. Then, sell your preferred product. In other words, choose the type of product you actually want to offer and move forward with listing it for sale. The key here is to focus on something valuable that people are willing to pay for. That could be a digital resource, educational content, creative work, or another product that fits your niche. The better your product matches a real customer need, the easier it becomes to generate sales. That's the basic process for getting started with making money on Payhip. You go to your dashboard, open the product section, add a product, choose the product type, and begin selling the offer you prefer. Once your product is live, you can continue improving your store and presentation over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.